think that's good. Yes, okay. Oh my god, I love him. He's my favorite. He's my best friend. Oh, I woke up with a frog in my throat this morning. Let's do this. Heyo, Belle here, and it's been a long time since we've done a video like this, but you know what? Time goes by and you figure it out, and then you get to do another video like this. So this is a haul video, unboxing type of thingy, and I'm super excited because we have new products from Morphe, Sugar Pill, which I have never had before, and Anastasia Beverly Hills, and these are several products that I have never tried before, and I'm super excited to try opening them up with you and whatnot. Anyways, guys, so if you like this video, if you enjoyed this kind of content, please hit subscribe, become a member of the Little Monster, become a Little Misfit Monster. But I can't talk this morning. I can't talk this morning. This is so funny. That's good coffee. Woo! It's real crazy. I don't know what it is today. You know what? No, I do know what it is. It's Wednesday. It's really early too, guys. It's early for me. Right? On a normal, normal day, I will go to school in the morning, right? Because I have that, I go to school because I'm a substitute teacher, so I go to school. So those are normal days. I wake up at 6:30, but my days off, I normally wake up at like, I don't know, 2 o'clock in the afternoon or something. I don't know. But right now, I feel like I have a lot of things to do. So I woke up at like 11:30 or something, and I'm barely getting to film. Oh my gosh. So much other stuff has been like going on in the house I needed to take care of before I could actually sit down and do this, and it's like, yeah. So yeah, I'm having a little trouble talking this morning because it is practically morning for me. It's 12 right now. It's early for me, okay? Don't forget to hit the button and subscribe, become a member of the Little Misfit Monster fam, and let's just hang out, dude. Let's get started. So we got Morphe, Honey, we got Sephora, Babe, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but we're gonna try it because I always like doing it. Sugar Pill. So it's gonna be pretty awesome today. I wish they would have put the emblem on the back or on the side or something, but I can't actually show you my address, which they used to cover up the actual awesome graphic of the box. Go figure. And get through it, get to it. Yes, ma'am. And it would be great if we could totally start right now, but sometimes little Miss Belle forgets things, as you well know. And I forgot my little, so I'm gonna have to go get him. So I'll be right back. 1 sec. Okay. So moving on. So we got a package from Morphe. I have been so excited to receive this because I need it. Did it land somewhere? I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna look later. So guys, this is the Morphe Dead Eyes collection. Just kidding. This is the Morphe Eye Set to Kill collection. Also kidding. It's the Morphe Eye Credible set. So it's all eye brushes. I've been wanting to get these probably pretty much since last year. I've been wanting to get these, but I have been fairly broke until now. We're finally getting back on our feet. Praise the Lord. So this is super awesome. These are freaking gorgeous. Oh my God. So we got blenders, we got shaders, we got line brushes, liner brushes, fluffy brushes, little tiny baby detailed brushes that I'm gonna be so excited to use, angled liner brush. We got all the things, man. Got a little bag with it too. So what you get in this 12-piece set 702, the Eye Credible set, for $25, which is a f***ing steal, by the way. So what you get is one concealer brush, one flat liner brush, one angled brow spoolie brush, one pointed crease brush, one detail crease brush, one detail liner brush, one pointed blender brush, one large shadow fluff brush, one blender brush, one firm blending fluff brush, one small chisel fluff, okay, one smudge brush, and a faux leather zip bag, which is for 25 bucks when you could get one of these for 25 bucks on Sephora, or even worse. Like, yeah, that's a f***ing steal. This is why I use Morphe, because it's cheap, it works, there's nothing wrong with them. Just because they're cheaper, they're f***ing great. They're great. I love them. I enjoy the shit out of them. I'm gonna use them later. It's gonna be amazing. Anyways, guys, moving on. So next thing, hopefully I don't drop my iPad because that would be terrible. We got Sephora. I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy. Cut and cut and ooh, yes. Nice. How cute. Guys, I think I finally learned how to open boxes. How cute. So we got packing stuff for days, as always. Ooh, I got samples. These are so small. Oh my God, this is so cute. They're so tiny, and I did not know that they were that small. That is so cute. I need to drink some coffee because I'm freaking out. Oh, that's good coffee. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you one, and then I'm going to show you the one that was really important. We have glow kits. glow kits that I've been wanting for several years now since they came out. Never got the chance to get them because they were so expensive and they never went on sale until now. So we got the Dream Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look at that hollow, bitch. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. I can't even right now. This is so freaking cool, guys. Like, I cannot. I'm so excited to have this on my wall. I always take the unit cartons and like figure out a way to mount them on my wall. I started doing that with my other palettes because I don't want to throw them away. There's such beautiful artwork and graphic design. I just can't part with them. I'm such a weird guy, but that's the truth. I can't part with these little cartons because why not just put them on the wall? They're small, they fit, use them for your f***ing room. They're decorations, man, why not? Yes, I'm very, very, very passionate about this idea. I love it, I do it, it's great. Anyways, guys, moving on. So, this is the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. Ay, Dios mío. There we go. Oh man, oh man, oh man, dude. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna touch one. Just one. I think I'm gonna touch Regal because I feel like I'm not gonna use Regal all that much, but I could be wrong. Based on this one swatch, I could be wrong. Let's find out. I just did 3 baby swipes. I don't like using my fingers in my palettes, as you guys know. This is so pretty. Oh, God. Okay, ready? Oh my god. It's not subtle. It's very, very glittery and it's very, very like bright and blinding. When you blend it out and it gets nice and subtle, it's beautiful. Oh my god, there's so many different colors of glitter in there. Micro glitter, it's insane. I can't. I'm so excited. This is one of the most beautiful highlighters I've ever seen. So I'm so excited for the next one. This is the one that I really wanted. So I saw that this one was on sale, and as soon as I saw this one on sale, I went looking for the other one, which is the one that I've wanted really since it came out and then sold out and then has never been in again. And then they stopped producing it, and then, you know, there was a whole bullshit thing about it. This is the one that I really wanted. This is Moonchild by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so excited to finally have it in my hand. This is the one that I really, really wanted. I'm so excited to have it. I like need to touch my face with it because like I can't believe it's actually here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my god, look at that little baby shift in there. It's so crazy because if you look at the difference between these two, this one is like a very subtle hollow, right? It's a very subtle holographic situation, right? And then this one is right in your face, kicking nalgas. This is amazing. I can't believe these things are so cool. Let's go ahead and open him. His little cardboard box is super cute. Let's see what happens. Oh my god! Oh my god, look how cute they are. They're the cutest. They literally are the cutest things I've ever seen. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch one of these two just because, and I think I'm gonna swatch the purple horseshoe because I love purple highlights. As you know, purple is my favorite color. It's actually lavender, but you know what I mean. Get in the corner of that. 3 of those. So there it is. I'm gonna do it right here because here's the other one, and I'm gonna do this one right here. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't even describe it. Like, there's so much to it. All kinds of things happen with different lighting. That's really, really fun. And I did it really subtle. I didn't grab a lot. It's really funny because I just do not like sticking my fingers in my eyeshadows or my highlighters or anything powder because it f***s it up. So I don't like doing that. So I don't swatch things like I used to because of that. These are beautiful. I can't believe they're here and this is so cool. Next thing, I also got a couple of samples. I was very particular about my samples this time because I was like, maybe we need to make like a whole video out of this and it would be really, really cool. This is the Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I've never used it before and I really wanted to try it because what I've been using for the longest time is not really working as well as I think that it should be, but I could be wrong and I needed something to test that out. What better way to get something than to get it for free because you already bought all the things in the world, so that's how you do it. So we'll test that later on, but for now, we're good. Also, I got a Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow little set. I wanted this because I have the Anastasia Dip Brow in medium brown, yes, but I wanted to check if maybe I need a different color. Like, this is probably the best way that I could think of to do this. I have this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. It comes with medium brown, chocolate, dark brown, and auburn. So I wanted to see if maybe I needed to change my color because I've been thinking that maybe medium brown is just a little bit too warm for me, and I use a lot of cool toned looks, so I figure I need a cool toned brow, and I meant to get a cool toned brow, but I don't know. It's cool, but I feel like it could be darker. I think that's really more my issue, is it could be darker. So I got this little guy, and then I'm not really huge on Too Faced, but I wanted to see if this worked. So I will probably be doing a video with or without this guy. I want to see what happens because this is a shadow primer. It's called Shadow Insurance, and I've heard other beauty influencers talk about it, rave about it, things of that sort. So I wanted to see if it was really worth the hype, if it really had any clout, as they the kids say nowadays. These are the things that we got from Sephora. This is super exciting and I can't wait to use them and play with them and see what they do. So yes, I am very, very excited. I'm gonna go and put those guys down. And then another thing here. This is a amazing steal. That's why I got it. This is a sugar pill box. I would turn it around and show you the graphic on it, but I can't because it's got my address on it and I don't want you to see it. Pretty much. Anyways, guys, so this is a box from Sugar Pill. This is the first Sugar Pill product I have ever ordered. I am so excited to try it because I've heard amazing things about Sugar Pill products. I'm gonna go ahead and open it just so you know. I got these things super discounted. This is a whole set. I'll tell you how much I got it for and how much it cost originally, and you're gonna fucking shit yourself. Let me go ahead and open this guy. Ooh. Oh, it has a sticker. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys, because I've been wanting stickers. Like, this is so random. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm getting sidetracked, but I've been wanting more and more stickers to put on my Mac because I always see people with Macs with stickers all over them. They're the cutest thing ever. So I've been wanting them. Yes. But yes, this will be a beautiful addition to the back of my Mac. This is going to be so beautiful. Awesome. So excited. I can't believe it. And I was totally not expecting this, but look at my excitement. When you expect nothing and you actually get something, look at my fucking excitement. That's how you should be. Everyone should be like this. Anyway, so moving on. It's really, really cute. It's like a box. Is it a box inside of a box? Inside of a box? And then they mailed the box to me. And then when it arrives, I smash it with a hammer. Just kidding. Sorry, guys. Has anybody ever actually seen that movie? That movie's fucking amazing. This is so pretty. I was not expecting this whatsoever. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is what it actually looks like because I fail at life and I never open things properly. This is an eyeshadow palette. It comes with a little makeup bag. It's these little guys, little twin stars. They're like literally the cutest and they're basically magenta and cyan. Like, how can you go wrong with that? You can't. It's also limited edition, which is so amazing. Everything that's limited edition, you know, if you want it, get it. Because it's limited edition. You don't know if it's ever going to come back. So this is our little box guy, Pro Makeup Collection. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's so cute. Look at the little thingies. I love quilting. I'm such a weird guy, but I love it. So yeah, this is what we got here. We got two little liquid lips. One that is basically magenta and the other that is cyan. This is the little palette. It's so cute. We've got 6 shades in here of awesomeness, foiled matte and frost shades from Sugar Pill. That's super beautiful. And then we got our little bag. And I know that the little dude fits in the bag. These are so cute. Oh my god. It's the cutest. I want to smell it. Smells like awesomeness. And then we got our 2 little liquid lips and I want to try these so bad. So yeah, this is really, really cute. And then it even says remove this tray and use this super cute box to store your favorite treasures. Yes ma'am, thank you. I shall. What a beautiful suggestion. You see, they want you to keep the boxes, guys. They want you to keep the box. So keep the box. Especially when it's this cute. Look at look at this. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm gonna like move it really slowly in the light so that you can try to see it. It's both of them there. Little twin stars, Pro Makeup Collection. And the crazy thing about this, guys, the craziest thing about this is that I got this for 25 bucks. It was originally like 75. And that's why I got it, because I was like, what the F? Like, why would they put this on discount that crazy, you know? But it turns out, I guess they were just trying to get rid of them. I mean, I don't know. That's all I can think. They were probably just trying to get rid of them because these guys came out 2017. Even the packaging says 2017. So they're still sealed perfectly in their packaging. So that means that they haven't oxidized or anything. At least that's supposed to be the case. But it's been a very long time since this thing released. It's been at least a year and a half. So yeah, they're gonna be trying to push them out at that point. I'm gonna go double check because I need to make sure I'm giving you guys proper information. Okay, I'm putting little twin. There it is. Oh wow. It went, but oh wow, that's nuts. It was this set right here, and I got it during Black Friday. The original price is $79 US, 79 bucks. I found the email. I'm not gonna show it to you. It's got my actual address on it, so I can't show it to you. But I will say, you know, it says one little twin stars makeup collection for $19.75. This thing right in front of me here. This was $79 to begin with. I got it for $19.75 plus tax and shipping. I'm telling you guys, I got these things at a steal, like ridiculously at a steal. So there's that. And then I know that I got the Morphe for full price. It was the full 25, but I mean seriously, it's $25 for like 12 brushes. Like what? Where do you even get that? That's not even a thing. Let's go find the Sephora order. I can actually show you this one because it's just like my order together. You can see here I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild and Dream Glow Kit. They were originally $40 and $45. I got them for $25 and $27. Yes, that's what I did. Because guys, unfortunately, I cannot afford to buy every fucking product that comes out. I wish I could. One day I will be able to. At that point, we'll see what I can do with that. But right now, I have to use what little money that I have as well as I possibly can, as efficiently as I possibly can, and which is something that we should strive to do always, to be more and more efficient in everything that we do. So I had to find these on discount in order to get them. So as soon as I saw Black Friday, you know, I was like, ding, let's get some makeup. So went to Black Friday sales on Sephora, went to Black Friday sales on Sugar Pill, went to Black Friday sales on all the things. Morphe was also a Black Friday sale, but I didn't get a discount on that one because, like, I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me, spending time with me, and coming to visit again. Like I always say, hit the button, hit the little like, subscribe. You always are welcome here. And if you would like to, become a member of the Little Misfit Monster fam, and let's just hang out, dude. Guys, I'm so excited to try out these products. I'm super, super, super ready and down to do a face right now, and I think I'm going to. So I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, guys, it's Wednesday. That means I'm streaming today. I have all the things ready to go. It is Batman Day, guys. So I got my Batman mug, and I got my Batman shirt, and I got my Batman everything. Just Batman out all day today. I actually changed my schedule recently. I finished Super Mario 64 for the first time in my life. Yay! And I was so excited. I got to finish the game with my friends on Twitch, which was so, so fun. It was like living out a childhood dream live for everybody to see, which was so amazing. And yeah, it was a blast. So don't forget to follow me on Twitch, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all the things. Look for me, Heyo Bell, and I'll see you there. Anyways, guys, God bless you always. I'm taking off. I will see you later, and all the things. See you later. Okay, bye!